Hi, my name is Andrew with Front Range CNC. I want to show you the Foundation 4x8 and why this is the best value in industrial CNC machinery on the market. We give you all the tools you need to either go from a small shop to more production or taking the step from a middle-sized production to higher, and it's all done in a really efficient and industrial footprint. The machine is run using high-speed industrial 1,000-watt servo motors on precision helical rack and pinion. All axes are laser calibrated to ensure the highest level of accuracy without sacrificing torque. All motors are driven using a direct drive system, which means we do not have the need for belts. Standard is a 12-position automatic tool change linear rack at the back of the machine with approximately 12-second tool changes from anywhere on the table. All machines also come standard with dual dust collection ports from the spindle and the drill bank. This gives you the maximum amount of dust coverage when using both the spindle or the drill bank. Electronic-driven vacuum zones are also standard on all machines. This means there is no need for an operator to open or close valves. Simply open and close the valves at the control stand depending on what Our machines come standard with automatic lubrication. This means all runner blocks on the X, Y, and Z are kept smooth with industrial grade oil. This keeps your machine running longer with less wear. We utilize a 6-inch dust collection port to maximize suction and CFM through our included 7.5 horsepower dust collector. That's right, we include a 7.5 horsepower dust collector designed to very quickly pair with your CNC. We also include a dust arm at the top, so you can either use a stationary dust collector like we provide, or simply run to a vertical setup or a whole shop dust collection system. By using advanced tuning on all motors, we're able to achieve extremely smooth movement in the X and the Y and the Z. As you can see, this is a circle, and yes, that is a nickel. The Foundation uses an easy-to-use touchscreen control for simple operator use. Control everything from this screen, such as vacuum zones, pop-up pins, dust cover, load programs, and use a 21.5-inch screen to make it as simple as possible for you to get up and running and using this. All machines also come standard with safety light curtains, which prevents operators from walking towards the CNC as it's running. When an operator crosses the barrier, the machine will freeze and wait for the operator to verify that they are in a safe location. This is a safety feature we have standard on all machines. We utilize an air-driven dust hood so you can get closer to your tool while cutting and disengage your tool during tool changes. All machines also include a safety shroud around the spindle to keep your operators further away from any cutting edges. This still allows for easy changing of tools, but gives you an extra added barrier of safety. Every router is supplied with a set of tooling needed to start your first project. This includes compression bits, drills, down shear cutters for dados, as well as exclusive access to in-house tools at near cost pricing. The goal is we want to make it easier for you to buy tooling and get back to cutting faster and not worry about this as an expensive consumable. Also included is an automatic tool measure pad. It's measurement of tools. The machine stores your current values, so you only have to measure once. All machines are standard with 30mm high wind rails on the Y axis and 25mm rails on the X and the Z. The foundation is capable of rapid speeds of 2,500 inches per minute and cutting speeds of 1,600 inches per minute. All machines come standard with backlash compensation tables as well as bidirectional compensation tables standard. This allows you to address any potential backlash in the future and not worry about long-term wear on your machine. This advanced feature is typically only available on industrial controllers. For us, this is the standard, and every machine we do uses industrial controllers capable of this functionality. The foundation features a 3+2 drill block standard. This allows you to drill 3 holes at a time or save a tool change by utilizing the drill bank for individual holes. Covers on the Y-axis keep dust and debris away from your rail. This prolongs the life of the rail as well as allows your machine to move smoothly. Our machine controller utilizes 2000 line block look ahead for precise and smooth movement. This is all handled at the control and you don't have to think about a thing. This means you get smoother curves and faster cut times. Thank you so much for considering us for your CNC router needs. We've tried to provide a complete package for you that includes the machine, a dust collector, vacuum pump, tooling, training. We also work with as many of the CAD/CAM softwares as we can, including all the major cabinet softwares, VCarve Pro, Fusion 360. We want to try to take the guesswork out of integrating an industrial CNC in your facility. Again, thank you so much for considering Front Range CNC. We really look forward to talking to you.